Don't let this feeling end. It might not come again. And I want to remember reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in the storms we'll find some light.